Yes. Respondent. The respondent is important.
Supported by the affidavit KIP, valid was written for orders to access, inspect, retrieve, examine, and analyze analyze the contents in the YouTube video links below. I have captured 15 YouTube video links in this judgment as they appear in the application. The deponent asserts in the affidavit that he is the investigating officer in the case file of infringement of neighboring rights by SB 58/28/02 of 2025, where Moses Sali, alias Bebe Cool, is the complainant against the current respondent, Alex Mugangi, alias Alex Mugangi, comedian. In the affidavit, it is further deponed by the said investigating officer in paragraph 4 that he has been informed by Moses Sali and really believes the information to be true that between December 2017 and December 2024 in Kampala district, the respondent, who is the suspect in ST 58/28/02/2025, without authorization or express consent, and not in the best interest of the complainant, distributed or made available to the public the complainant's musical videos on the suspect's YouTube channels in such a way that members of the public may access it individually at their chosen time, and further did broadcast the same on NTV Uganda, thereby making it available to the public to view. That he further directly or indirectly distributed musical video performances and made them available to the public to extract hard copies, hence the prayer to access, inspect, retrieve, examine, and analyze the contents in the above 15 links to determine whether the videos were uploaded on the YouTube channels, to ascertain the total number of views, comments, and upload date per link in accordance with the provisions of the Copyrights and Neighboring Rights Act Cap 222. The application and the supporting affidavit are all on the court record. The application is opposed by the affidavit deponed by Alex Mugangi, the respondent. The respondent intimated raising points of law while he prayed for dismissal of this application because for want of merit. There is also an affidavit in rejoinder on the record. The deponent of the affidavit in rejoinder reiterates the prayers in the application. I have not reproduced the contents of the application, its supporting affidavit, affidavit in reply, as well as the one in rejoinder in this ruling, as all are well captured on the record. Land Senior State Prosecutor Marcel and Bishop from ODTV City Hall appeared for the applicant, while Advocate Robert Mutaro of MS Elgon Advocates appeared for the respondent. Both parties never filed written submission, thus the matter was reserved for judgment. Suffice it to note that earlier, on 19th of March 2025, Respondent's counsel successfully sought leave of court to pursue an out-of-court settlement of the issue with a complainant in SG 58/28 February 2025. However, by report to court on 1st of April 2025, the two had failed to settle. Thus, court guided and reserved this matter for judgment based on the affidavit evidence on the record from both parties. However, in the course of writing this judgment, court was bombarded with a litany of correspondences and submissions filed without first obtaining leave of court. There is a letter dated 7th of April 2025 at this report from MS Mugarura Chalimba and Company Advocates requesting to produce and photocopy the file of court as well as a notice of change of advocate received by court on the same date from the above firm of lawyers. Court permitted the said firm to be availed a typed and certified copy of proceedings at their cost even when they wanted to produce and photocopy the court file. Before any compliance with the above on the 8th of April 2025, the said firm of lawyers filed a set of submissions for the respondent without first obtaining leave of court. On the same date, court received a copy of a letter notifying court that service of the said submissions had been made to the police officer, Detective AIP Barirun Wasa. On 9th of April 2025, an affidavit of service of notice of instructions and the said submission was filed in court. I have labored to detail the above in this judgment so as to demonstrate the essence of compliance with the timelines, especially in this case, where court was told a few days to delivery of judgment with the letters and submissions that were intended to delay because of justice, as this matter was only reserved for judgment 1st of April 2025, while the new council never bothered to obtain leave without filing their documents. The position in Stop and See Uganda Limited versus Pro Africa Bank and Attorney General and another versus Uganda Human Rights Awareness and Promotion Forum is instructed to be is merits of the application. Like I've already explained earlier, in this application, the deponent in the affidavit asserts that is the investigating officer in the case file of infringement of neighboring rights, file SD 58/28/02 of 2025, where Moses Ali Alex Bebe Cool is the complainant against the current respondent Alex Mugangi. It is the evidence of Detective AIP Barirun Wasariki that he has been informed by Moses Ali Alex Bebe Cool that he very believed the information to be true that between December 2017 and December 2024 in Kampala district, the respondent without authorization and not in the best interest of Moses Ali Alex Bebe Cool, the complainant, the respondent distributed or made available to the public the complainant's musical videos on the suspect's YouTube in such a way that the members of the public may access it individually at their chosen time. Further, that the respondent did broadcast the same on NTV Uganda, thereby making it available to the public to view. That he further directly or indirectly distributed musical video performances and made them available to the public to extract hard copies, hence the prayer to access, inspect, retrieve, examine, analyze the contents in the above 15 links to aid investigation and determine whether the videos were uploaded on YouTube channels. To ascertain the total number of views, comments, and upload date per link in accordance with the provisions of the Copyright and Neighboring Rights Act CAB 242. The respondent proposes the grant of the order sought herein above by the affidavit deponed by Alex Mugangi, the respondent. Although the respondent intimated raising points of law, while he prayed for dismissal of his application because the want of merit, I found the said points of law taking encouragement to the cause of justice in this case and without merit. As stated in paragraph of the affidavit in reply, I have not found any incompetency or defect in the supporting affidavit and the application weighed against order 19 to 3 sub 1 of the civil procedure rules. All the paragraphs of the supporting affidavit are based on facts in the deponent's knowledge, save for information in paragraph 4 and paragraph 5, whose source of information is disclosed. The Copyright and Neighboring Rights Act CAB 242 provides for protection of literary, scientific, and artistic intellectual works and their neighboring rights, and for other related matters. According to Section 2 of the Act, neighboring rights include rights of performing artists in their performances, rights of producers and music publishers, and rights of broadcasting companies in their programs and others, as is provided for under Part 4 of the Act. In SP, I have copies for. You can sit in the corner.
Yes, Your Worship.
Cover your data, a lawyer's number.
Tugende.
Kale kanso twaniza kutegeeza enjawulo. Omusango gubadde mu kkooti era twagala kumanya ebivuddeyo mu bufunze.
Nange nsanyusa okubalaba kuddamu okukasinkana wamu ne munnamateeka munnange bamuyita Abwang Richardson. Amanya gange bampita Ssentongo Ebo nga ffe bannamateeka b'omwami Moses Sali Bebe Cool mu nsonga eno. Briefly ebivuddeyo mu kkooti nga bwe nzize ngambagamba nti ffe omulimu ogwange oba ogwaffe twemulugunya oba tubeera ba complainants then state ne taking in charge ne prosecuting. Weewaawo tukozesa okuwabulwa kwaffe n'okuwabulwa kw'omulamuzi kye twali twasaba kkooti mu nsonga eno weewaawo emaze n'ekigulantinga tweyongereyo. Sebo Wakasange ayinganga ensula wabweru. Omukulu ali represented bannamateekera abatendeke nze n'omwami ono, so omuntu nga ali represented kiyinza obutamwetaagisa kujja
omukulu baagala kumanya kkooti eddamu kubanga basomye ekiwandiiko ssawa zino kkooti etandika okulaba